Here's a story about a probate that turned out bad for the personal representative. Emily was a really nice lady, and she had always been close to her dad's sister. Now, her aunt lived here in Arizona, and when her aunt passed away, Emily found herself appointed as personal representative of her late aunt's estate. Her aunt had left behind a modest estate and several relatives that were waiting for their inheritance. So, eager to fulfill her duties and please her family, Emily began the probate process. She was aware of her responsibilities, but she underestimated the complexity of the task. Her primary focus was on distributing the assets to the family, as she believed that's what her aunt would have wanted. Without delving into the nitty-gritty of the estate management, Emily distributed the majority of the money to the family within a few weeks of her aunt's passing. She felt a huge sense of accomplishment, seeing the joy on her relatives' faces as they received their money. However, that sense of achievement was short-lived. Soon after the distribution, Emily received notices from several of her aunt's creditors claiming substantial debts that were owed. Panic set in as she realized that the estate's remaining money was not enough to cover these debts. Emily had overlooked a crucial aspect of her role, namely ensuring that all debts, taxes, and administrative expenses are paid before distributing assets to the heirs. Now she found herself in a dire situation. As the personal representative, she was personally liable for the mismanagement of the estate's money. The creditors were pressing for payments, and the distributed funds were long spent by the heirs. Some of them had the money to contribute back, but some of them didn't. So Emily faced legal challenges and personal financial liability. She had to put her personal money into the estate to cover the debts. The situation was a stark reminder of the importance of meticulously adhering to the probate process and the responsibilities that it entails. Her well-intentioned haste turned into a costly lesson, not just in terms of money, but also in terms of family relationships that were strained when Emily had to call family members and ask them to send money back. The story underscores the critical importance for personal representatives to fully understand and respect their duties in the probate process, particularly the necessity of settling all debts before distributing assets to avoid personal liability and ensure fair and lawful administration of the estate. In probate, knowledge is more than just power. It's a safeguard against making mistakes like what Emily did. If you found this video interesting, please hit the like button. And for more insights into the probate process, subscribe to our channel. If you're grappling with a probate challenge yourself or need expert guidance, visit probatemadesimple.com or just give us a call.